So what is the difference between a shallow copy and a deep copy in JavaScript? So let's just make an object const person equals, name. So to do a shallow copy, we're just going to copy all the top level keys. In this case, it's just the name key over to new object. You can just do a spread operator is a cool way to do it. You can do Object.assign, just assign all the keys to a new object. There's some other ways too, but you get the idea. Now, what if we want to do a deep copy? So let's first talk about a deep object. Deep object is an object that has keys whose values are other objects. So we can do something like this, const person equals name. And let's just say first Steve, last. So now I have an object in an object. If I do a shallow copy, like const new person equals person, the problem is the name object, which has the first and last key, was not copied. We copied the reference. So now new person and person have the same reference to the name object. So if I do person.name.first equals Sam, and I do new person.name.first, oops, name is also Sam. So when we do a deep copy, we want to make sure that everything is separated. So if we make changes to the first, it's not updating the second, because maybe our new person, we want to change the name in other fields, but this new person represents Sam, and the old person represents Steve, and updating one should not update the other. So that's when you want to do a deep copy. So here's Steve. And now we'll just do const Sam equals structuredClone. Now we can go sam.name.first equals Sam. Maybe the last name is the same. Maybe Sam is my brother. And now you'll see that updating Sam does not update Steve. So if I do person.name.first, which was Steve, it's still Steve. So that's what's handy about structured clones, is sometimes you have all kinds of information and you don't want to make a copy of just some of it. You need to copy all of it because all of the information in the object is unique by every single instance of the entire tree. I hope that helps.